Alrighty, folks, we didn't catch you this morning. We did a quick meeting. We got so much stuff going on, we just jumped right into it. So, tons of projects going. We're trying to wrap up some of the stuff from last week. You probably saw in the last episode. If you haven't seen it, check it out. But something really big happened this weekend, and now we got to get back focused on airplanes. But Autumn and I got engaged. But, you know, Monday morning we're back to work. We got to paint airplanes. So, thank you guys for all the congratulations that we got. It's pretty awesome. But anyways, yeah, it's going to be a great week. We got a lot going on. We got an airplane to deliver. We got customers coming in, customers going out. Get this on camera. What you do, Justin?
Walk back over here and this couple was upside down.
Oh my. You gotta be kidding me.
There's still something in it.
It's like $400 worth of paint.
Probably.
It's their Christmas party.
Damn. Dude, the can openers are in there too. They gotta clean that off. That's a lot. That's like $200 gone.
Yeah.
On the People's Exhibit A. On today?
Paint the inside of the PC9 cowlings.
Oh, hell yeah.
Really nice. Take it again.
All right, Scotty, here's the deal. It's 8 o'clock. Nobody's here yet.
Time for the meeting. Oh, wait.
Everybody's sleeping in this morning, so I have to shame everyone. We have to shame everyone ourselves.
Papa Winter
when they
came
get
for
here.
us.
Yeah.
Oh, it's the first shame.
It is? Hold on a second.
Oh, wait, hold on.
Oh,
he came
okay.
ready. He
All
came
right.
ready. You remember
Wait,
last
that's
week.
for him. He did not bring that for me. He's trying to...
All right, what's the monster of the week? That's your blue. All right.
Yeah,
What's the rating out of 10?
Good solid 7.
All right. And that's the monster of the week.
Clear day today. Justin, Noah, you guys, jump in there. Let's get this thing unmasked. Final details for clear. Today is the day. We're not gonna leave here today without that happening. So, Nathan, if you want to help clean the front of this booth, it needs to be wet down and squeegee while they're doing that. And then I've got projects for you guys right after on the PC9 parts and components. So you two guys are gonna be clearing today. Noah, I've got projects for you too after. But the biggest thing we gotta do this morning is just make sure we get the booth cleaned and the airplane finished, prepped, final prepped, ready to go. Tommy B's already working, David's up there working. So clear hearts, clear minds, can't lose. Is that how it goes?
Clear airplanes.
Oh, clear mind, yeah. Clear minds, clear hearts, clear airplanes.
Evo, baby.
Let's get it. Every morning I try to get in here a few minutes early, take a look, kind of scope out the situation, make a little bit of a list, and figure out how to get this place organized. So, big day today. We've got a lot of moving and a lot of readjusting to do, so we're going to pretty much be reorganizing the entire shop, resetting. Every time we get an airplane out, we kind of do a big move and a big cleanup. So that is what we're going to be doing today. We are going to see if everybody shows up at 8 o'clock today. If not, they better bring donuts and or monsters. I'm going to lose it. I'm going to freaking lose it. Today, we are moving everything. We are rearranging the shop. That's the first thing we're doing, rearranging, cleaning. Kyle's coming out, going to the buffing hangar. We're going to move Chris's plane in the open booth. Then we are going to start working on getting the PC9 out of the booth. and getting ready for the Lancer to come into that booth. And our goal for the week is to get both airplanes based out. So we want to get Chris's based out first. We're going to get his in. The Lancer is going to come over this afternoon or in the morning, and then we're going to get it based out before Friday. We're going to have 2 planes based out by the end of the week. So we got a big switch, but I think we can do it and keep moving the needle a little bit. Big planes moved around, everything organized. It's a really nice day to open everything up and clean up and reorganize. So.
New plane?
New plane. We're gonna put the silver down, and then we'll throw down the vinyl and start laying her out. So next plane up.
One in, one out.
So crummy day here in Gadsden, Alabama. Unfortunately, Joe's RV-10 that we were gonna get out of here today, he's actually gonna hold off for a few days waiting on the weather. So he's gonna fly back out of Birmingham, take another shot at it, come back and get that airplane when the weather's a little nicer. We like to typically have a really nice weather day for first flights out of paint. So right after paint, you want to do a test flight, shake out the plane really good, make sure you've got the airport in sight, do a couple of laps and just make sure everything's going correctly. We do all the ground testing and everything, but you just always want to be safe for that first flight after paint. So yeah, he's gonna defer the flight today, but you know, airplane's ready to go. The airplane's beautiful. Gives us a couple more chances to take pictures of it, which is cool. So we'll just take a few more pictures of it. But unfortunate for Joe, it's a bummer, but it's aviation. It happens. So we just keep on keeping on.
You get a nice rainy day, stay inside.
Yeah, it's a nice day to stay inside.
Here's the fun job.
Yeah.
The fun job is when you clock in at 8 o'clock every day. This is really like my dream job. It's just painting. I'm very grateful for the experience to work here. And you get people like Scotty filming you every day. So it's like, hey, I'm a superstar now. I'll sign autographs after work. Thanks. Not the boot monster.
The boot monster.
I'm telling you, if we can get a sponsorship from Monsters, they wouldn't be disappointed. I drink so many Monsters, I'm surprised. Never mind.
The fact you're still alive.
Do you know how many holes Justin has punched in sheetrock? Monster, sponsor us. Okay, all right, so big plans today. Noah's gonna be late, he's gonna be a few minutes late, but when Noah gets here, we're gonna just need to get all that PC9 stuff out of the booth. Lancer, continue that process of getting it over. No, Tommy B.
Yeah, you get out of the frame, John. It's all right.
Yeah, let me get out of the way. There's the guy everybody wants to see. David is working with the body shop to get the Lancer over here. It does have a little bit of body work left on it, but we're just gonna get it out of there and get it over here and start working on it. So plan remains the same. We're gonna try to get the Lancer based out. I'd like to try to get that thing sealed today, so Nathan, Noah, you guys have your hands full. And then y'all just have to put a coat of silver on, and then you're all on that project too. And then Tommy B, what are you doing today?
The hokey pokey. Stripping, scraping, recoating. I'll be detailing.
You're the man.
Detailing today.
Everybody doing the hokey pokey today.
I mean, that's what it's all about.
That is what it's all about. It is all about the hokey pokey. All right, everybody, thank you. It's gonna be a great day.
So why y'all doing it in the dark?
Watch the way the metallics lay out.
Okay, sick.
And whenever it's super humid, the silvers, metallics will tend to flush. And with this, we can come in here and kind of dust it on so it's not as wet.
Okay.
And we can just watch how all the metallics lay down with the lights.
Awesome.
wanna watch me make a mess?
Oh.
All right, I've got $50. It says Billy will spill half of that thing.
Do you have the money?
Sure.
Okay. Oh, shit.
A quarter? No, it's going.
All right, so we didn't hit every target we had this week, but we hit a lot of them. So we got one of our RV10s, we got it totally based out. We had another RV10 we wanted to leave, but the weather didn't cooperate. Another rainy day today, so we're gonna try that again either Saturday, Sunday, or Monday, sometime over the weekend. Maybe we can get that airplane out of here. But yeah, all in all, a great week. We got a lot of stuff done on the Pilatus. We got a lot of stuff done on the Lancer that's coming over. So we didn't hit every target we set first in the week, but we hit most of them, and I think that's ultimately the most important thing. Other than that, we're just gonna keep on keeping on. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys who have subscribed. It is awesome. We appreciate the support. It keeps us going. Thank you so much. We'll see you again next week. Let's just keep on rolling, and you guys will see a little bit of Evoke Aviation behind the schemes. See ya.